Before we get ahead of ourselves, let's have a closer look at this unit. This is a Federal Model Number 2 Siren. So here's the motor assembly from that Federal fire siren. It is a 2 horsepower, series wound, commutated AC motor, or a vacuum cleaner motor. And there's the commutator and armature. This unit runs on 240 volts. There's the cast rotor. Combined centrifugal blower and air chopper. And another rotor assembly just fits inside. Clearances look really good. So now I have the siren assembly mounted on its mount. Now the model number 2 sirens that I seen were mounted on a telephone pole, and they had a shroud on them so the sound went in all directions. I made up a director so the sound only goes in one direction because I'm going to rotate this just so I can see what it's going to sound like. Now since I'm going to rotate this, I had to make a slip ring. So I used, I got some copper bands. I cut off a piece of copper pipe. I slipped them over some PVC. For the brushes, I'm using carbon electrodes that's used in electric arc gouging, burning and stuff like that. They're 1/2 inch in diameter, and I just piece this mechanism together. There's the assembly with the rotator on. You see there's a counterweight on the other end of where the cone is. That's for balancing. Now we're going to get an RPM reading with a tachometer and see what we get. That's the drive on it. This is going to be my first sound test run, so I'm going to bring it up with a variac gradually because I don't know what to expect. Worried about. That thing throws so much air, it was throwing the stand out of balance. So I got to get a better base to hold it down. There was so much wind coming out of the siren that I had to add a base to the stand so it would stay upright. Now we're going to see what it sounds like outside.